Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Fall Guys error code 21040. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up Epic Games. And then here on the Epic Games, guys, just go to the library, and from here you will see installed application. And from here, guys, on your library, just go ahead and go to Fall Guys and click on the three dots over here. And then from here, guys, you'll be able to see verify. And since I haven't downloaded the game, I don't have the verify option, but when you do, you will able to verify it over here. And then from there, you should be able to fix the problem. And now guys, for the second option, just open up any web browser and just go to the status Epic Games. So guys, over here, you will see all of the application on Epic's games. Just go to the Fall Guys, and as you can see over here, you will see if Fall Guys have an issue or if it's under maintenance. But when everything looks okay and operational, you should be okay. So guys, for the third solution is just go back to the Epic Games, and then from here guys, what you will do is just go over to the top right corner of the screen, and then from here try signing out and logging back in again, and then from there you should be able to play Fall Guys again. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!